up guys, I'm Hendo, and today I'm making the Potion of Invulnerability based on the one from Dungeons & Dragons. Every month I make a different prop and cocktail based on a different potion from D&D, and this is my 8th one. For 1 minute, this potion will give you resistance to all damage types, which means that you can cut that damage in half. It's described as looking like liquefied iron, so we're gonna go for a really metallic vibe. This isn't gonna be a very complicated build because it's not gonna light up, but it's also like really scorching hot in SoCal, so it's just not going to be very complicated. But I appreciate you being here anyway. Thank you. Let's get making! I thought that some big chains would help represent the invulnerability aspect of this potion. I wanted to build it around a big central ring, which is actually inspired by Sansa Stark in the later seasons of Game of Thrones. She was kind of the only one who got a more satisfying ending. I have a few rings to choose from, but I think the wood one is the best size, so I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it silver. Next, I have quite a few chains of various sizes and shapes as well, and I kind of want this potion to look hobbled together, so I'm gonna use a combination of several of them. I have jump rings to hold them to the larger ring and to each other. The jump rings are really easy to open and close, the pliers just help me grip them a little bit better. I'm also adding some chain to the bottle's neck and its cork. I have this little flourish charm that I'm gonna make a little dangly thing just to give it a little bit more dimension. And later the tag will attach to this also. I made this little paper tag, but I feel like it kind of clashes with how hardcore the rest of the bottle looks, so I actually decided to pick up an aluminum tag and I'm gonna go ahead and engrave invulnerable into it. This engraving pen is actually pretty cheap. I don't use it really often because the sound is awful, but it's very, very effective. And you really don't have to press hard. This thing is also looking a little bit too clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a dark wash by watering down some black acrylic paint and just slapping it all over this potion. Now it has a nice worn-in look. Hey, it's bottle fluid time. I tested out this metallic luster dust on both baby oil and shampoo, but neither were quite right. It separates too easy in the baby oil, and in the shampoo it just got really like fluffy and cloudy and not quite metallic and swirly. So I actually decided to go with a really cheap hair serum. It has just the right viscosity to keep all of the powder suspended without really getting cloudy. The pigment does eventually settle, but it's really easy to just shake the bottle around and get it suspended again. Less is generally more when it comes to adding powder to the solution. This is really satisfying, so I'm pretty pleased. And that's pretty much it. We have a cool little potion of invulnerability. So that's it for the Potion of Invulnerability. You can check out my cocktail video if you're looking for a drinkable version of this potion too. And as always, I'm Hendo. Thank you so much for crafting with me. So hot. I'm so hot.